power of music.
But my father, he will never give us permission.
I am done asking permission. When you see your moment, you mustn't let it pass you by. You must seize it. Señor de la Cruz, what did it take?
Underestimate. To think that something is less or lower than it really is.
Idiots. I should just go down to the paper and sell them my own.
Well, Peter, you might be underestimating the difficulty of writing a comic strip.
Permission. The act of allowing someone to do something.
This is November 247 Charlie Kilo requesting permission to land.
Seize. To take something quickly and keep or hold it.
The board will shut down this park, seize your work, everything you've built.
That man was Ernesto de la Cruz, the greatest musician of all time.
We've never known anything about this man. But whoever he was, he still abandoned his family. This is no future for my son.
But Papa, you said my family would guide me. Well, De La Cruz is my family. I'm supposed to play music.
Never! That man's music was a curse! I will not allow it!
If you would just
Miguel.
You will listen to your family.
Abandon. To leave a place or person, usually forever.
Poor baby. We were thrown out together, me and him, abandoned by the same owner.
Curse. A cause of trouble and unhappiness.
And then one day the doctor came and said, Mr. Lauder, may I offer a piece of advice? Stop thinking of it as a curse to have been given an enemy in life.
Everyone cheers!
Excuse me? Where's the real De La Cruz?
Ernesto doesn't do rehearsals. He's too busy hosting that fancy party at the top of his tower.
Chamaco, you can't run off on me like that. Come on, stop pestering the celebrities.
You said my great-great-grandpa would be here. He's halfway across town throwing some big party.
That bum. Who doesn't show up to his own rehearsal?
If you're such good friends, how come he...
Pester. To behave in an annoying manner towards someone.
Tim's little brother was always pestering Tim to make him paper airplanes, because he was really good at it.
Bum. If someone refers to another person as a bum, they think that person is worthless or irresponsible.
Come on, get out there and fight this guy hard, you bum.
Rehearsal. A practice before a public performance.
Okay, peoples, this isn't a rehearsal. Let's see some hustle. Smiles, everyone, smiles.
And right over here, one of Santa Cecilia's greatest treasures, the home of the esteemed songwriter Hector Rivera. The letters Hector wrote home for his daughter Coco contain the lyrics for all of your favorite songs, not just remember me.
Treasure. A very valuable and important object.
You know what? We're not bailing out just yet, you know? We're gonna go find some treasure or something, and we're gonna bring it to those villagers. Morty, cut.
Esteemed. Highly respected.
I bring you a message of goodwill and present to you, esteemed members of the Tanaxi delegation, a gift from the Foboden High Council with the highest regard.
Contain. To have something inside or include something as a part.
Each one of them contains a single sterile dressing wrapped around a tablet of morphine.